Welcome again. So far we have learned some of the very good stuff like sales analysis this year, previous year, and clustering analysis. So in this lecture, we will be learning how to do the sentiment analysis. So we are having our sales data, we are having customers here, and we need to find out how much of those customers are really happy with our services. So for that, we have this particular column in our table called rating, which consists of the ratings from our customers on the scale of 0 to 100. And also we have this uh, table called sentiment, which we have taken from Excel, which consists of sentiment, positive, neutral, negative, and the associated images with it. So how to use this? Right now there is no relationship here from sentiment and sales data. So to create a relationship, first we need to create a calculated column. So let me show how this works. So right click on it, click on new column. Let's name this as sentiment analysis. So we'll create a if condition. If our rating is less than 100 and our rating is greater than, let's say, 70, so our rating lies between 70 to 100, then we will call it positive. Okay, so this will be a nested if condition. We will use another if our rating is uh, let's say less than 70. So earlier we have used greater than 70, so we should make it less than or equal to 70, and our rating is greater than, suppose, 40. So this condition will be 40 to 70. Then we will call it neutral rating, and if both of them are not correct, we will call it as negative. That's all. So this is how our DAX formula works. If our rating is between 100 to 70, positive. If not, if it is of between 40 to 70, then neutral, or if that is also not true, then negative. So now we have this formula. Click enter. We will have this uh, column of sentiment analysis. Let me just quickly put this all in a table to let you understand this. I will add the customer name, the product, the we have the customer name. We will add, I will add the total sales which they have associated in a business. Let me make this much more visible to you all, guys. There we go. Okay, so we have customer name, we have sales. Now what I need is our sentiment analysis in here. So I'll drag it here. So we have this negative, positive, neutral all up here as per our sales, as per our formula. So just to make this all clear, I will quickly put this rating in here just to make sure our thing works right. Okay, so I don't want the sum of it, I just want the rating. So you can see here the 47 is neutral, 48 is neutral, over 70, which is 72, is positive, positive, neutral. So this things is really working fine. Okay, so we have created our formula. Now we want to do the sentiment analysis. So now we have this table sentiment. We can now link them using our the latest column which we have just created. Let me expand this, and there we go, and create a relationship between them. There you go. We have this thing, positive, neutral, and negative common between those both of them. And one thing which you have to make sure before doing this, that this image column is of the right format. So for that, just click on the column, click on modeling, and here data category. Make this data category image URL. That's all. So here is how the magic works. So we have this sentiment analysis. We don't need this. We will be having a better version of it. Click on sentiment and now put image right here. There we go. So now we can see if the customer is really happy with us or not. We can adjust the size of this image from the formatting pane. But right now let's keep this as it is. So as you can see, this is just neutral. This is very happy, neutral customer, happy customers. This is a sad customer, so a negative point there. So that's how we can really do the sentiment analysis of our customers. So this is just in a table format. Now we want to use them. Suppose I want to see all the happy customers or all the customers who have given us the negative reviews together. So I'll use this chiclet slicer. Uh, I have imported it from the marketplace. I have this chiclet slicer. Just put it here and put the image in the uh, image column here, right there, and the sentiment here in the category. There we go. Now we have this good little slicer in here which shows negative, neutral, and positive. So I want to see how many of the customers are really not very happy with us. So just click on this, and these is our customers which are not pretty much happy with us. So we can kind of work with them or analyze them why they are not really happy with our services. So one thing to make sure, this display is not really visible because we have created the this year and last year comparison, so it is not working with this. So to avoid this error, what I need to do is I have to avoid the or remove the interaction of my this filter with this table. For this I have to click on this filter, go to format and click on edit interactions. Now I just need to click on this none value, and now when I'll click on the negative positive, this will only affect this value, this particular table. So that's how you can do the sentiment analysis. Of course, this is just a rough way of showing it. You have to do the formatting stuff like making the image size small, or you can use your own images from internet which you have purchased or which are freely available right there, and you can do all this sentiment analysis. Looks pretty good, huh? So that was all for our sentiment analysis. I hope you have understood. We have done so much of the analysis work in this project. In the next lecture I will show you how to use the filters in our report. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying your Power BI learning. I would really appreciate if you haven't, please go and put your valuable review and feedback for this course and help this course to grow. So thank you again, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Bye.